Kama chelo ene Jatend piny William Ruto kod Jatend migawo mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen odok ne obila ma pacho kae ma osebed ka iseyo ewi tiyo gi teko mathoth kuom jopiny. Kane giwuoye kar jot mar Jatend piny gikone piny owacho oikore mar siro obila kendo chiwo lwasi ma owinjore mar tich. Jatend migawo mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen ne otelo ne kweth mane ogolo puoch ne obila ka giwacho ni kata obedo ni lwasi mar siasa pacho kae osebedo matek, obila go osebedo gi luor ne jopiny kachiel koda ka josiasa kendo ni tich makama oseketogi e thuolo mano manyime kaka obila maber mogik e kind pinje Afrika.
Kenya is the country that has the most difficult political environment to operate as a police officer. Political and constitutional. On one hand, the police are extremely constricted on what they can do and not do when it comes to managing public and making sure there is law and order. On the other hand, you have a population and particularly political leadership that is very belligerent in terms of supporting the work of the National Police Service and the police officers. Despite the difficult challenges, economic situation, facilities that they are the most patriotic lot in providing law and order in our country.
I will continue to make sure that every security officer, every person who puts their lives on the line for our nation, we are making steady progress in improving the terms of service of our policemen and women. We are going to dedicate at least 20% of those housing programs to our policemen and women.